The tail from the stuffy.
Oh, that's even
You
better.
did a really good. That's a good wag.
Who's a good boy?
Who's a good puppy? Oh. And he has a heart, so you can put the heart on. Whereas, yeah. Well, you have to put a battery in first. So you have it playing on the. Was that from your toy or their toy?
Yeah, that's from my toy.
Are you playing it? Now it sounds. I hear it. That's so cool. So do it again.
Hit the button.
I bet it's louder from this side. So you've got your toy. What's this from?
From there.
From the teddy bear? And hooked a microbit. Do it again. Oh my god, I'm excited. I want to see this side. I like this side.
Yeah.
I like the wire side. And you figured it out, and it works. Yay!
So cool.
The creepy cat makes a reappearance. What's he do? He's scary. Why does the yellow one just do it short? You make it. You should. You know what would be so creepy is if this thing was in the back, actually making the ow like.
I wish I could figure it out.
You need like 10 more hours. I love it.
Definitely.
This is so creepy. Okay. I don't know what this does, but that right there, this little tiny thing has a conductive pad. That black part's conductive.
Okay.
And so it's sort of like the makey where you push the two things to make it work. When that little pad touches it, it hits the switch. That's a switch.
Okay.
And it just, that circuit board's programmed to say that now we put ourselves to sleep, whatever, and light up the eyes.
I think the magnet is because it's a speaker,
Oh, right.
right?
Yes. That's what makes it loud. That amplifies the sound. And the
Oh, no,
skin
it's
is...
this guy.
Oh, that wasn't this guy. That was this guy? Oh. Look at him. He's ready to go back to sleep. Oh, here you go. Go back to sleep, little guy.
Two vibration motors here.
Uh-huh. Awesome.
This is my rocket that's going to take off into space to look at the stars.
So you're
This
using
is a
your...
separate project. This is an Arduino that I had to control the lights to music.
Yeah.
LED tape.
Okay, Tim. Go in the space shuttle.
Alright. Do I close the door?
Yeah, you can close the door.
There's no air up there. You got to be airtight. All right, you ready for takeoff? In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.